For the last few years, if you were a vlogger or a YouTuber in the USA, you basically had two choices. Spend $3,000 on a pro-level rig, or settle for the plastic feel of entry-level cameras that overheat the moment things get interesting. But standing here in 2026, Nikon has just flipped the script. This is the Nikon Z30 II. It's the successor to the camera that quietly became a cult favorite for its ergonomics. But this time, Nikon isn't playing safe. They've taken the DNA of their recent Red Digital Cinema acquisition and injected it into a body that costs less than an iPhone. This is the story of how Nikon stopped being the photography company and started becoming the most dangerous name in video. We are talking about a 26-megapixel partially stacked sensor, 4K 120 frames per second slow motion, and a color science that makes skin tones look like they were shot on a Hollywood set. If you've been waiting for a reason to ditch your Sony ZV-E10 or your Canon R50, you're looking at it. But there is a massive catch regarding the Nikon ZR branding that could change everything you think you know about budget cameras. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. The original Z30 used a 20.9 megapixel sensor that was frankly getting a little old. The Z30 II steps up to a 26 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. But here is the kicker. It's rumored to be a partially stacked design. In 2026, stacked is the word that separates the toys from the tools. A partially stacked sensor allows for ultra-fast readout speeds, which means one thing: the death of rolling shutter. If you're doing a walk-and-talk vlog on the streets of Chicago or filming a fast-moving car in LA, the background isn't going to jiggle or lean. It stays locked, sharp, and professional. This sensor doesn't just give you more detail for your thumbnails. It gives you the video stability of a camera twice its price. But the real magic happens in the processor, the Expeed. This is the same brain found in the flagship Z9 and the Z6 III. By bringing the Expeed to the Z30 II, Nikon has unlocked subject detection that feels like magic. We're talking about a camera that can track the eyes of humans, dogs, birds, and even the cockpits of airplanes and motorcycles. For a solo creator in the USA, this is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it tool. You can set the camera on a tripod, walk 10 feet away, and know with 100% certainty that your eye is in sharp focus, even if you're wearing glasses or moving quickly. It's the cameraman in a box that solo YouTubers have been dreaming of for a decade. Now, let's talk about the Red effect. Ever since Nikon bought Red, the industry has been waiting for the pro features to trickle down. The Z30 II is rumored to be the first entry-level camera to feature N-Log and internal 10-bit recording as a standard. No more flat, washed-out footage that you can't fix in post. With 10-bit internal, you have billions of colors to work with. You can push your grades, fix your exposure, and get that cinematic look without needing an external recorder like an Atmos Ninja. And for the first time, we are seeing Red color science profiles built into the picture controls. This means you can get that legendary red skin tone, rich, organic, and lifelike, straight out of the camera. It's Hollywood color on a hobbyist budget. Let's address the video specs that are making the community lose its mind. 4K 60 frames per second with zero crop. The original Z30 had to crop in on 4K/60, which was a nightmare for vloggers.